much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you.
Hi you guys, Lights132 here. Welcome back to another episode of Friday Thrifty Finds. But this is a special episode. A lot of people have been asking me, how do you just make your jeans look distressed? You know, when I get them from the Goodwill or whatever thrift store I get them from. So you ask and you shall receive. So I bought a pair of jeans to start fresh to show you guys. There's nothing special about them. This is what they look like. You see my marks of where I'm gonna start cutting. Now with these jeans, the way that they fit, excuse me, because I feel like I have to sneeze. Excuse me. I want to blow out the whole knee. So, and what that is like when I sit down, my whole knee area will be out. So right now you can, when I start, I'm gonna lower the camera and put it down so you guys can see exactly how I started, how I finish it. I'm gonna wash these tonight as well. I know I'm a little late with this video, but that's okay as long as I'm gonna get this out to y'all. I really am. I'm gonna get this out to y'all. So, without further ado, I'm not gonna rant all day and night because it's late and I just got off work. So let's get started. All right, you guys. Like I said, I already started with the line here. And like I said, I'm gonna blow this whole knee out till about right here. So when I sit down, this whole section of my knee is out. Just because of the fit of the jean, because they're kind of, you know, snug fitted and everything. So to get started, like I said, I just have a regular razor blade that you can change out. Make sure that it's sharp. And then I cut out a piece of cardboard. Now the cardboard is for two reasons. One, so you won't cut yourself. And two, so you won't cut the back of the jean. Anything hard that you don't mind, you know, cutting up, you can use. I just go for cardboard because I can throw it away afterwards. And then I won't have to worry about it after that. And I do it on my lap because it's easier for me. So I take this half and I tuck it. Some people might do it, you know, I don't know how everybody else do it, but this is how I'm gonna do it. And I hold it together. I hold it tight together. So when I start cutting, now first I'm gonna start cutting where this line is. Right. Doesn't have to be straight. Like I said, I'm gonna pull this whole knee out. So once I get cut in there, and I'm gonna go all the way to the seam. This one all the way to the seam. Now this is where I'm gonna do the bill out. I don't wanna just leave it like this. The more straggly it is, the better it's gonna look. So I'm gonna hold this one and I'm gonna just start like raking it. Raking. This is how I'm gonna form my style of blowing the knee out. So, let's watch yourself guys with this, because you don't wanna cut yourself. And I'm gonna have that. You wanna keep some things in the middle, some of the jean in the middle for the design of it. You don't just wanna cut the whole knee out and then call it a day. You can, but you know, that's not how I'm gonna do it. You do it, let's see. Now, with this is where I'm starting to get I'm gonna go in smaller lines now. This is where I start to design, I guess I can say, if you guys can see me. Let's go in some. And lower you so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully my camera won't fall. Right here, you see this little thing right here? I'm gonna do this all the way around the jean. Not the jean, this hole. Again, you guys, please watch yourself. And like I said, I'm going in smaller cuts now. Smaller cuts, over same spot several times. That's how you get that distress, that real distress look. And then I'm gonna wash these. I might have to wash them more than one time. I've seen times I have to wash them twice. If they're not like I want it, then I wash them a third time. Hey, I'm gonna do it until I get it together. Right now, I know I'm going a little fast, but that's okay. You might want to take it a little slow because of the blade. And you see these? Like you see these that are, they're still connected. I'm gonna go back over these. You see how this is coming out, the little shredded part? You wanna see that. And sometimes you can just take your blade, break it on across. But you don't wanna cut it all the way. So I want this line to stay. So I'm gonna continue to just rake across it as much as I can without tearing it. And I'm gonna go all the way to the end, like I said, all the way to the end. You see this part right here. You see how that's coming along right here? And I'm gonna continue to go up to this edge while I'm holding it tight. Again, if you want that straight look across here, you can leave it. I don't. I like the dramatic aspect of it. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit more. Losing the blade. If you can see, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not. That's the point of it being distressed, because it's not perfect. It's just a lot of imperfection in it, and I love it. So again, I'm gonna keep doing this. Now I'm gonna continue on this side, and I'm gonna come back with you guys to show you what it looks like once I actually blow the whole thing. Alright you guys, so I'm about to start on the second pants leg. Now this is gonna go a lot quicker because I changed my blade, well I switched my blade around. So that one's a whole lot sharper. So you get to see it from the beginning again. Alright, let me get some of that. This is the line again that I measured, where my knee hits right here. So that means I'm gonna blow out this whole section. I get it again, I tuck it under my knee, and then behind my knee on this one as well. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that was a perfect straight line. Blow this whole thing out. And just start cutting. Doesn't have to be perfect. Try to get the lines a little smaller. Now these, I go back over. See how sharp that is now? I can just cut back in the middle of these. And then I'm gonna start going real fast over these sections. That causes this action right here. And you can see that stream? That's what that causes. Don't mind that I'm cutting the cardboard, but that's okay. Again, the cardboard is for safety reasons. You do not want to cut yourself. And you do not want to cut the back of your jeans the same way that you're cutting your front. Now, you can cut designs in the back all day if you want to, but you have to do it separately. If not, it just look crazy, and then you have a line in the back, what you did in the front, and it won't look good at all. So I'm gonna start cutting some of these down. Again, it might look crazy now, but you won't see exactly the full effect until you wash them. Like I said, this is how you get the little designs at the top. You see how that's coming? So that whole thing is gonna be, hope you can see it. This whole thing is gonna be out. Like I can rake across it. So that's gonna be that's going to be a design off of the blowout. And you can do those all, that's exactly how I do like the little sections. Like if I always put like a hole near the pocket. You know, I think that's dope. So again, I'm going to continue to make it my own, you guys. Everything I do, I try to make it my own. I aim to be different. I don't like to look like anybody else, even though certain times I may. But most times I don't. I'm my own person, and you can be your own person, however you want. Like these. Let's rake over these because these are my own anyway. This knee, I think I'm gonna blow it out a little further than that one. just think I am, you guys. See how that's coming right here? If you start going fast, like once you, instead of doing it like in a straight line, and you just go fast, go rough and rugged with it, it'll look so much better once you wash it. Once you, and then I'm gonna start doing it. Same design. I almost cut myself right there. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna take, wherever you get, make sure if you're doing it, it's somewhere that's easy to clean up, and I didn't do that this time because clearly I'm on carpet. But that's okay. I can vacuum afterwards. And there will be some cardboard. Okay, this is what the knees are looking like so far. This is the other one. Now, to get the little, like I said, I always do some near the pockets. Just some little designs. I got a Princess Diary Band-Aid. This is the first time I ever cut myself. Maybe because I'm talking and recording and talking to you guys. I swear I can do two things at once, but clearly that is showing me something else. You see this little cut? That's gonna be a little fray right there. And I always like to get on the pockets, and you know I'm not gonna go as deep because I don't have my cardboard, and then it's just the back of the pants. So I'm just making some little cuts. Like I say, the closer you go together, the closer, but the faster you go, and then you going in the same spot. Too many, because my main focus is going to be the blowout of the knees. So that's good for that. So I'm gonna make sure these are all the way to the end before I wash them. You can just tear that. That makes it so much better too. I think I'm gonna put something right here, but like I said, these are kind of snug on me, so I'm gonna put a little something right here. Just a little peekaboo, nothing fancy. Just a little hole, just a little bit. To give it a little bit more of a distressed look. And then right here around the pockets, this is where I'm gonna go. Right here, around these pockets. I hope you guys can see that. Again, make it your own. However you want to do it. If you want to put more slits into that, you can. That's not my focus right now. Let me put you guys up so you can see me. Back you out. Hello. I am here. Oh, my little affirmations over there on the side of the wall. But this is what I came up with thus far. Both pants legs. This is what it looks like. I have a little something up here, a little two things up here, and then just a little bit on that back pocket. I'm gonna leave the other pocket, blank. So now I'm gonna put these in the wash. I'm gonna wash them on a heavy load, as if it's super soiled, so it can be a little bit more rough to the jean. So once I wash these, you guys, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. If it's not to my liking, of course, I'm gonna put them back in there. I might put a little bit more rips in it. I mean, you gotta keep doing it until you like what you see. Alright, you guys, here's the finished result. The blown out knees. I paired it with a pair of brown combat boots with a old Army Navy shirt that I got from an Army surplus store back in VA. Here it is. Blown out knees, ashy jeans. I love this style. This is very comfortable. You can pair these jeans with anything. I just decided to do it as a casual look. Alright, you guys, this is the look. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more videos from me, again, hit the notification button.